CBAP Certification, Benefits and Career Opportunities. We will explore the benefits of CBAP certification and the various career opportunities that come with being a certified business analysis professional. Benefits of CBAP certification. Enhanced credibility. CBAP certification demonstrates to employers and colleagues that you have the knowledge and skills required to excel in the field of business analysis. Increased salary. On average, CBAP certified professionals earn higher salaries than their non-certified counterparts. This certification can open the door to higher paying opportunities in the field. Career growth. CBAP certification can help you stand out in a competitive job market and qualify for advanced positions in business analysis. Global recognition. The CBAP certification is recognized worldwide, allowing you to pursue opportunities on a global scale. Career opportunities with CBAP certification. Business analyst. With CBAP certification, you can pursue roles such as senior business analyst, lead business analyst, or business analysis manager. Project manager. Many CBAP certified professionals go on to become project managers, overseeing business analysis projects and ensuring successful outcomes. Consultant. CBAP certification can open up opportunities to work as a business analysis consultant, helping organizations improve their processes and achieve their goals. Entrepreneur. With the skills and knowledge gained through CBAP certification, you may choose to start your own business as a business analysis expert. Conclusion. In conclusion, pursuing your CBAP certification is a smart move for anyone looking to advance their career in business analysis.